Okay, this is basically a part 2 of the marble run video I did. This is the ROKR, or Rockers marble runs combined together, the Marble Light City and the Marble Spaceport. As you can see, by the colors, I've zazzed it up a little bit. I've done a number of things to try to monkey with it a little bit. I did try different sized balls, somewhat bigger, somewhat smaller, and it was pretty much a disaster. It really rocked it up. I had to take it apart and fix some things because it messed up pretty severely. But I got it all back together, but I've noticed a couple of things that made it difficult, and I've seen reviews where people had a hard time getting theirs to work. I'm just going to show you some things I did to improve the functionality, and maybe it'll help you get yours working better. The first thing I did was I put this glob of clay here at the top of this tower, and it gives enough weight that it pushes down a little bit further and helps the balls to get where they need to. On the back side, you can see I got a little blob of clay on that lifter. It just isn't heavy enough sometimes to rock the way it needs to get the balls up to the top. So that little blob of clay on there helped. I might do something a little prettier at some point, but right now it works good. And the last thing I had to do here is, you notice I've got these little wood dowels glued in because some of the balls are being kicked out of the system altogether. Also, this flapper here doesn't like to work the way it's supposed to. It's supposed to make the balls go down this pathway here and then curl down. A lot of times it doesn't work. I put a little clay in there to see if it's causing a little bit of friction, might improve its operation, and it has a little bit. It's a little bit more likely to operate the way it's supposed to, but it's still a bit finicky. Not sure what I would do to further. I essentially need to make the hole a little larger because this actually will go right on past that hole, which you might see here in a minute. Like I said, at the end of this video, I will add a picture with the black light on, so you can kind of see what it looks like. And then I'll do a full video with it running, hopefully for a number of minutes with just the black light, and maybe add some music or something. I'm not sure what I want to do with it. But that's what I got so far. Hey, it actually worked like it's supposed to. What do you know?